Hello, everybody. Today is Tuesday, September the 1st, 2020, and today you are scheduled to take your Unit 1 assessment. You are scheduled to take your Unit 1 assessment, and the entire unit, the title was Building a Math Community Through Data. Our I CAN statement: I can represent and interpret data using whole numbers. Our essential question that we worked on for this entire unit: how is data useful in real-world situations? Now we are going to, just like I discussed yesterday, we're going to take our SchoolNet assessment online, and you had an opportunity to watch the video by clicking on this link right here. How do I log in? And your individual teacher also went over the steps with you about how to log in. We also took a practice assessment. And today we're going to take what we remembered and what we practiced on to log in to complete the online assessment. And the actual online passcode to take the assessment is 91MD4, 91MD4. So if you're with us live, your teacher is going to walk you through, getting set up so that you can get going and take the assessment. And the assessment includes material that questions about things that we worked on for the entire unit for just over a week's worth of material. And if you are taking this, if you're not here live with us and you're taking the assessment at home, you're going to still follow the same steps. You're going to follow the same steps about how do you log in. You can watch that tutorial video to get logged in, and then when you're ready to take the quiz, you're going to enter the online passcode right here. So when you're finished with that, you're going to submit that assessment and your teacher will get it. Okay, so if you have any questions, if you're live, we're going to talk about that now. And good luck with the quiz. Bye.